Through this video, we are going to explain the chapter number 4, determinant. First, we are taking the definition of determinants. According to the definition of determinants, to every square matrix, A is equal to Aij of n. Here n is the order of matrix. We can associate a real number or complex number of the square matrix A, where Aij is equal to I, jth element of A. Here we are going to explain the determinant with help of example. Children, you know about the matrix. Matrix is what? Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of the element. It means matrix may be square or rectangular, but the determinant is always a square matrix. If we will associate a square matrix, for example, square matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the square matrix A. If we will express this square matrix, associate a real number or complex number, we can write, this is the symbol of determinant, and we will write 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 2 vertical column. It is not a modulus. It has unique value. What is the difference between the matrix and the determinant? In matrix, the elements we will express in the form of rectangle, and in determinant, the numbers or elements are always in square. If A is equal to A, B, C, D, then the determinant of this A is written as A, determinant of A, B, C, D is equal to determinant of A, or like this. Now we are going to move the next topic, determinant of matrix of order 2. Determinant of matrix of order 2. Order 2 by 2. Let A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 be a matrix of order matrix of order 2 by 2. Then the determinant of A is defined as A11, A12, A21 and A22. Here we are going to find the value of determinant. According to the definition of determinant, to every square matrix A can associate a real number or complex number. It means each and every determinant has a fixed value. It may be a real or complex. Here this is the square matrix and it has a unique value. So how can we find the value of this determinant? By doing the cross multiplication we can find the value of this determinant. So A11 multiplied by A22 minus A21 multiplied by A12. Now we are taking the example. Seven, 2, 5, 3. Can we find the value of this determinant? Yes, we can find the value of this determinant by using this result. By using this result, we can find the value of this determinant. By doing the cross multiplication, 7 multiplied by 3 minus 5 multiplied by 2. 7 3 are 21 minus 10 is equal to 11. Now we are illustrating the determinant of matrix of order 2 by 2 with help of another example. For example, x, 2x, x plus 1 and 3. Children, can we find the value of this determinant? Yes, we can find the value of this determinant by doing the cross multiplication. 3x 3 into x minus 2x multiplied by x plus 1. 3x minus 2x square minus 2x. 3x minus 2x is x, x minus 2x square. This is the value of this determinant.